Linksys RE7350 Dual-Band Wi-Fi 6 Wireless Range Extender Setup. Let's start. Remove the RE7350 from the packaging and find a suitable power outlet. Plug the RE7350 into a power outlet about halfway between your router and the area needing better Wi-Fi coverage. Ensure the LED light on the extender is lit up, indicating it's powered on. Press the WPS button on the RE7350. Do this within 2 minutes of pressing the router's button. Wait for the LED to turn solid blue. Download the Linksys app, available on the App Store or Google Play. The app will guide you to connect the RE7350 to your existing Wi-Fi network. Follow the steps provided. Move to the area where you need improved coverage and check for a strong Wi-Fi signal. Use a device to test speed and connectivity. If you want to customize settings, connect a device to the extender and enter http://extender.linksys.com in a web browser. Log into the web interface and adjust the SSID, password, or other settings as desired. If the signal isn't strong enough, unplug the extender and try moving it to a different location for optimal performance. Monitor your network. Use the app or web interface to check on your extender's performance and make adjustments as needed.